Hello guys and welcome. In our video today, we are going to look at demand forecast in the Cesim simulation. The key strategic challenge in Cesim simulation is to lead the company through a technological improvement. That's why we normally emphasize on the demand forecasting. Now, if you look at your page, we have the estimate in total market demand. The three markets here are USA, Asia, and Europe. Then here we have the total demand in the last round. It's in thousands, so this is 16 million, 47 million, this is 14 million. If you move here, this is the predicted market growth, which is in percent. This is the prediction of how you think the growth will look, and you base it from the market outlook. So if you think there will be an increase, you just put here a positive number, and if you think there will be a decrease, you put here a negative number, and if you think the market will stay constant, you don't change anything, you just leave it the way it is. Down below we have the total demand in the last unit versus this round. So the blue one is in this round. So here we can say we had 16.75. Then this is in, I told you again, this is in thousands. So this one is 18,000. So last round they sold in Asia, they sold 47,000. And they are projecting to sell 52,000 in this round. Then again, last round in Europe, they sold 14,000. And here they sold about, they are projecting to sell about 16,000. And you see, they are basing the fact that their market will be improving. That's why you see the total demand for this round keeps on rising. Down below, we have the market share. And the market share is the estimate sell demand. And you can only sell two products in each of the three markets. So in USA, you can only sell two products. Again, in Asia, you can only sell two products. And also in Europe, you can also send two products. And if you want to sell a product, develop it first in the research and development, because if you don't have any product, you will not have to sell it. So let's check on the R&D. So I'll hit on the R&D. Now this is the R&D page. So I said that if you want to develop, to sell a product, you have to develop it. So we come down here, we have in-house development, then you have buying technology. Now with the in-house development, you develop your product, but it's a bit expensive, and it will come into place in the following round, and it takes more time compared to buying technology, which has a immediate effect because it will be used right away. Although it's more expensive, it takes less time. So let's go back to our production. No, yeah, to our demand, sorry. So let's go back to demand. Then we have the network coverage forecast. This is a prediction of the network coverage forecast. It just predicts the trend in the technology. You can observe the network coverage, and you can observe the network coverage and predict which tech to sell into which market. And in this side, you have the percentage of the population that can have access to your network. And in this side, you have the round in which the network will come into place. Now, if I can check on the Tech 1, it started with a population of 70%, then it moved higher up until it reached 9900. Yeah, then you can see it in Asia. The technology that is has high demand in Asia, in USA, sorry, it's Tech 1. In Asia, it's again Tech 1. In Europe, again, it's Tech 1. So and if you are to invest in Tech 2, let's say in USA, you'll start investing in it when it's in round 3 there, because in round 2, the smaller part of the population is done which can have access to the network. So it's advisable maybe if you start selling it in round 3. Then in in Asia, Tech 4 product, you can start selling it in round 6. Then down below here, we have the market shares, and you can compare it with the last round and this round. So the market share for Tech 2 product in last round in USA was 14.1%. In this round is in the Tech 1 in last round is 10. So they are projecting that their market share will reduce, so it will move from 14.1% to 10%. Then the Tech 1 product will take more of the market, because it will jump from a market share of 10% in last round to about 18% in this round. That's it for today. Thank you for watching the video.